welcome back to Food Channel. Today we are going to see how to make agar agar pudding. Agar agar is also called as China grass. So let's see how to make this easy dessert. For this I have taken about 10 grams of agar agar. We are going to pour water. Pour just enough water to soak it. Push it nicely into the water. We are going to soak this for about 15 minutes. Soak 10 to 12 almonds and grind it into a paste. After 15 minutes, now we are going to boil this and dissolve the agar agar. Keep stirring so that it is nicely dissolved. It should become transparent. So we can still see the agar agar in it. So we have to allow it to dissolve more. Now the agar agar is nicely dissolved. We are going to pour in about half a liter of boiled milk. About half a cup of sugar. And about a pinch of food coloring. This is completely optional. You can use any color you want. I am using it just to make it attractive for the kids. Now mix it all together and allow it to boil. Milk is boiling now. We can switch off the stove. Now we are going to pour it into the molds. We are going to allow this to cool. It is nicely cooled now. We are going to refrigerate this for about 2 to 3 hours. Now our pudding is set. We are going to remove it from the mold. So now our agar agar pudding is ready. It's a very easy dessert. Hope you guys try this recipe at home, and don't forget to leave your comments below, and also like, share and subscribe to Food Channel. Thank you.